The next question is question number 4. Coordinate of point P is equal to -7. Find coordinates of points on the number line which are at a distance of 8 units from P. Everyone has learned the number line. You all know that on a number line there will be 2 points at the same distance from a specific point, one on right hand side and one on left hand side. By using this, we are going to solve this question. For that, we have to draw the number line first. Here, on this number line, point P is indicated at coordinate -7. Now, we have taken a point Q which is at 8 units distance. You can check by counting the units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Similarly, we have taken point R on the left hand side of point P, again at 8 units distance. And now we have to find the coordinates of point Q and point R. We know that distance between P and Q is 8 units. Similarly, distance between R and P is also 8 units. And we have learned how to find the distance between 2 points using their coordinates. Here we know the distance and we know the coordinate of one point. So by using this we can find the coordinate of second point. So here we can write the equation as distance PQ is equal to larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. But here we have to decide which one is larger and which one is smaller. On a number line, suppose P point we have considered, then point Q which is at right hand side will have a coordinate greater than -7, and a point which is on left hand side, that is R, will be having a coordinate smaller than -7. So now we know for distance PQ, coordinate of Q will be greater. So coordinate of Q minus coordinate of P. Coordinate of Q we don't know, so we will write it as it is. But coordinate of P we know, which is -7. And distance PQ also we know, which is 8. Now to find coordinate of Q, we will take it on one side is equal to this -7. When we are taking coordinate of Q on one side, this -7 should go on another side, as this sign will change to plus. So it becomes 8 plus -7. And the answer is 1. So coordinate of Q will be 1. Similarly, we know that distance PR is also equal to 8. Here, coordinate of R will be smaller than coordinate of P. That means distance PR is equal to coordinate of P minus coordinate of R, which is equal to -7 minus coordinate of R, and is equal to 8. Now we have to take this coordinate of R on one side and 8 will go on another side. So coordinate of 8 R is equal to -7, and this 8 will come here as negative. So it is -8. So -7 minus 8 will become -15. So we have found out the coordinates of both the points on number line. One is +1 and one is -15. Therefore, we can conclude as the coordinate of point on right hand side of P is equal to +1, and coordinate of point on left hand side of P is equal to -15. The next question is question number 5. Here the betweenness is given as A, B and C, and the distances between AC is equal to 17 and distance between BC is equal to 6.5, and we have to find distance AB. As per the betweenness, I have drawn the diagram here. A and C will be the endpoints and B will be between A and C. We know the distances here. Distance AC is 17 units and distance BC is 6.5 units. Now, from this diagram, we can write one equation as distance AC is equal to distance AB plus distance BC. We have to find distance AB here, so let us take it on one side. Therefore, distance AB is equal to distance AC, and this distance BC will go on left hand side, that is minus distance BC. Distance AC we know that 17 units minus 6.5. The subtraction is 10.5 units. So, distance AB is equal to 10.5 units. I hope you have understood all the questions and the methods of solving the questions. Please revise them at home and practice well. See you in the next class with a new lesson. Till then, bye and take care.